ये वीडियो इंग्लिश में होने जा रही है। हिंदी और बांग्ला की सबटाइटल उपलब्ध है। While using a desktop computer, you have to deal with a stupid metal box which is mostly empty. So want to build a beautiful looking glass computer with optimized thickness? Well, I made this piece of tech couple months ago. The transparent glass panels allows me to watch the beauty of the electronics working inside. And the glasses has endless possibilities of LED decoration. This is a very simple build, everyone can make it at home without any specialized tool. And this cost even less than half of a proper PC case. Okay, sit back and enjoy my journey of creating this. The glass sheet used are acrylic glass panels which are actually made of transparent plastics. Therefore, it is very easy to drill, cut or bend those. Acrylic sheets are mostly used as window glasses. Firstly, I bought two 5 mm square sheets of 150 dimension. It cost around $1 per square feet. Then I gathered all the mandatory components for a CPU, the motherboard, hard drive, RAM and the SMPS. I'm not gonna explain the connections of all that stuffs. You must know it if you have a PC. Then I choose a satisfactory arrangement of the components and mark the mounting holes for them. I need 4 more holes for mounting the pillars which hold the two panels together. Then I drilled all the holes by hand with a flathead screwdriver. I didn't use a drill machine here because the fast spinning drill bit may hit the glass up and melt it. It's time to choose the suitable pillars. The motherboard has the maximum thickness of 5.5 cm at the cooling fan. I will give another 1.5 cm for spacing and for air passing. So the spacers should be at least 7 cm long. I couldn't find the right spacers for my job at offline store. To make the project cost effective, I didn't go online. Then I decided to make them from using two pens. Luckily, I found the best screw which fits right into the hole. I cut 4 pieces of them, 7.2 cm each. The screw head is cone-shaped, so an indentation at the top surface will help fit the screw in place. I drilled all the holes in a single sheet and the another sheet is used as a cover with 4 pillar holes. For mounting the motherboard and the SMPS, I choose flathead rivets from bicycle seats. The flathead looks premium on the glass. Before drilling the holes, make sure the location of the pillars doesn't overlap any component and there is enough room to connect the cables. And of course be aware of the location of the SMPS. It should be at certain depth because it has mains voltage which can kill you. Here I made a mistake. One of the pillars is placed at the very edge which can later break the glass. The pillar holes has thread on both sheet and the pins to have better stiffness. After completing the pillar mounting, it's time for the ground connection. In a desktop computer, the connection to earth is mandatory. Since my cabinet is not made of metal, I have to continue the ground connection among every mounting screws with the help of a thick wire. The SMPS and the motherboard has ground pads just beneath the mounting holes. And the hard drive connects to ground via its body. I ran the ground wire in a regular shape such that it can improve the look of the system. While mounting the boards, I have used small bolts on top and bottoms of the board for spacing and better ground connectivity. While securing the rivets, special care should be taken for my design. If the screwdriver slips, it can damage the motherboard. The next step is to connect the power and data cables for the motherboards and the hard drive. I am lifting another SATA and power cable for another hard drive, which I will later be connecting. Okay, before completing the final step of mounting the cover panel, I should check it once. And it works fine. Then I tightened the cover panels in place and added a cooling fan to the SMPS. If you have a front USB panel, you should secure it somewhere on the cover panel. I don't use that, so I have a tiny push button for power on and off. I use my PC for media consuming, web browsing and office works, so I don't need a graphic card or CD drive. If you need, you should modify my design. If you add an LED at any side of the glasses, it will glow up all the edges, giving a sci-fi look. You can of course do endless decoration using RGB LEDs. One drawback of my design: the metal cases of computers protect it from electromagnetic interference caused by the SMPS or other outside radiation. But it might not be a big issue. I am using this for almost half an year and never faced a problem. For better safety, you can still mount the SMPS in a grounded metal box if you find one of suitable size. At this point, my video has come to an end. I do make electronic repairing, explanation and circuit making videos in Hindi. If you know the language, you should check out my channel and subscribe. I hope you have enjoyed the video. Making a good video takes a lot of effort and time. So please like, comment and share my video to encourage me. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.